Tell me when to go.
Don't eat it.
Go.
All right, I got called out by Jessica because she just did it, and I'm calling out. I don't trust this man behind me in any way, shape, and form. And I'm calling out my sister Andrea and my brother Arby, and I'm here with the strong men, just as you see, so we're going to be okay with this. All right, go ahead. Stop it, Scott.
Okay,
Go to Ed.
I got called out by Jessica, and I'm calling out my father-in-law Stephen, my co-worker Trevor, and my friend Richard Noble.
I got called out by Dakota, my brother. I'm calling out Obama, and that's all.
What about Hillary Clinton?
I'm Sarah
Oh no,
Palin.
she already disappeared. Sarah Palin.
Dakota.
My turn. I got called out by Titan and Ripper. So I'm calling out Toby and Brock Rasmussen and Graham.
I'm being challenged constantly by my bride, McKenna Kay, and I'm calling out any youngster in Afghanistan, any of you.
Nice. Okay, ready? Are you getting us all?
I've got all of them.
Ready, go.